Dear colleagues from Adult Learning Australia, my name is Nani Zulminarni from Indonesia and I'm the president of the Asia South Pacific Association for Basic and Adult Education or ASBAE and the vice president International Council for Adult Education ICAE for Asia Pacific. It is my great pleasure on behalf of ASBAE and ICAE to congratulate you on achieving your 60th birthday. Adult Learning Australia has much to celebrate and much to be proud of. To have survived for so long as a national peak civil society body for adult and community education in Australia speaks volumes about your members and your leaders' tenacity, persistence, and commitment to the cause. I remember in 1996, ALA hosted the second General Assembly of ASBAE in Darwin. It was my first direct involvement in adult education in general and ASBAE particularly. As host, ALA exposed me to different activities of adult learning in Australia, which became one of most important experiences and inspiration for my long journey on adult education until now. But it is not just the fact that you have survived that is impressive. It is the quality of ALA's policy analysis, its report, its recommendation to government, and its numerous training events over the decades that ALA and all involved in it should be proud of. One of my staff from Indonesia was benefit from ALA exchange program several years back so that she grows her leadership and capacity on adult education. ASBAE and ALA have had a long and mutually fruitful and supportive relationship over most of the 60 years. ASBAE began in Sydney in 1964, only a few years after ALA was formed, and ALA was a key organization involved in founding ASBAE and providing important support and contribution in those early years. Moving on a few decades, ALA in the 1990s and early 2000s hosted a desk in Australia for ASBAE's work, with the likes of Yvonne Hasselhoff as the editor of the ASBAE's Courier. In 1995, Dr. Alastair Crombie, the executive director of what was the AAACE, hired Bernie Lovegrove to work on ASBAE issue at the AAACE office in Canberra. ALA also hosted ASBAE's second General Assembly in Darwin in 1996, which was a massive undertaking. ALA has had members on ASBAE Executive Council on a number of occasions, including Dr. Alastair Crombie and later Dorothy Lusardi, both providing their much appreciated experience and insight. Even though ASBAE Australia has a separate office to ALA, Bernie continues to this day to collaborate with the current ALA CEO Ginny McAfee, especially in relation to ACED, the Australian Coalition for Education and Development, and other international education issues. It is clear that ALA and ASBAE share a common spirit, vision, and passion for the advancements of adult and community education. And we face tough times ahead to fight to ensure there is a strong voice to promote and resource adult learning and education, both in Australia and internationally. This was the case even before the pandemic, but now we face additional challenges together when the funding for education is declining, especially adult learning and education, which has always been the poor cousin in education. We face many challenges such as the privatization of education, the unlearning and anti-science propaganda of mass media outlets, the rapid spread of fake news and conspiracy theories on social media, the loss of civil society spaces in many countries, the rise of populist and dictatorial leaders with large corporate support that are not called to account, and the rise of fundamentalism. More than ever, when so many people have lost their jobs due to the pandemic and many adults and children are missing out on education, we need to continue to advocate to ensure that the transformative power of adult learning education is seen as part of the world's solution and that education is made available to those who have been left behind, especially youth, women, and people with disabilities. As we move towards the close of this extraordinary year, we at ASBAI and IKAE have every confidence that Allah will continue for many years to come to be a beacon of reasons, an advocate for the poorest, and enablers of transformative adult learning and education both in Australia and abroad. In this journey, you can be sure that ASBAI and IKAE stands alongside you in collaboration and solidarity. I and the entire ASBAI and IKAE family wish you all the very best as Adult Learning Australia celebrates 60 remarkable years. Thank you.